Hi, welcome to Thor Kitchens. Today we're going to discuss the removal of the bullnose assembly on the 48-inch dual fuel range. First, we'll start off by removing the two oven doors. Pull the clips up on each of the hinges, and the door will lift up and off. Same procedure on the small door. Flip the clips back. Our technician's got that down. Lift the door up and off. Next, remove the 4 screws holding the bottom toe kick panel. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the toe kick will rock down, under, and out. Next, we're going to remove the 2 side trim panels. One on the left, one on the right, held by 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. By removing these panels, it'll allow us access to the 2 screws to remove from the bottom of the control panel. There's the left side, and the 4 screws holding the right side trim in. One screw, 2 screws, and the 2 up in the top. Now that the side trim panels are removed, we have access to the screws underneath on the control bullnose. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the 2 screws holding the ends on both sides. We'll start by removing those screws. And 2 more screws. Next, we'll move on to the top of the bullnose. We'll remove all the oven knobs. You do not need to move the knob bezels. Just remove the knobs. And remove the 5 screws on the back side of the top of the bullnose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last screw. Now, after all the screws have been removed, the control panel will then tilt forward and up. And there you go, the removal of the bullnose for the dual fuel range.